Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the 2020-2021 school year at Woodland Middle School. This is Mrs. Hunter, your media specialist, and today I will be speaking with you briefly about digital citizenship, our plan, and how we will help our students to get through this plan quickly. First thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about the portion the students will be completing online. Last year, if you were with us, we did our part of our courses online using our digital compass. Listed on this screen, you will see the steps necessary for each student to follow in order for them to complete this portion of their training. It is completely online. It is student driven. There is no interaction from you necessary. It is everything they need. They will go ahead and follow straight from this page. I will also attach the individual grade levels information on a separate page, so it'll make it easier for you to see and easier for you to access and share with your students. So what they're going to do is they'll go on, they will sign in to commonsense.org/education/digital compass. They are going to actually play the game. This is a shot of the actual screen they will be looking at, and when it says select the correct letter from the word anywhere, it is one of these letters. So the W, the N, the Y, the W. Once they click on that, it takes them to the actual game dealing with that character. So that's where they will complete that information. The other thing that we are going to do is we are going to look in teams. And when we look in teams, you may or may not have this team. You probably will not, but I'm going to need you to join this team in Microsoft Teams. It is called WMS, Digital Citizenship 2021. If you do not have this team, which you don't, you will go to Teams, all of your teams, and then you'll go over to this side and ask you to join teams, join or create. You are actually going to type up top WMS Digital Citizenship, and it should go ahead and prompt you to join the team. Once you have arrived at this page, you will click on General. General is going to show you everything that you see right here. Next, I need you to click on Class Notebook. The Class Notebook will provide you with a few short pieces of information, and then I need you to click on this arrow, the purple arrow. It will open up the Class Notebook, and then you will click on Content Library. Content Library is going to list the 6th grade courses. These are the paper courses they will do, in addition to the actual online games. So there are 2 for 6th grade. This Nearpod, and you can access it through this link. They can go on and log on nearpod.com and use this code, or if you choose, you can use the online live pace lesson and go through that with them there. That's for 6th grade. I have the same thing for 7th grade. First lesson. Here's the second lesson. I have it also for 8th grade. First lesson for 8th grade. Second lesson for 8th grade. Once you have completed these with the students, we are completely finished with our requirements for the 2020-2021 school year as far as students are concerned. Please keep in mind that I will be contacting you on the staff portion of the training, which we must complete. If you have any questions and you get stuck, you need my help or assistance, please do not hesitate to come by the Media Center or call me in the Media Center. I will come by your classroom and help you out, or you can stop by and see me in our newly renovated Media Center. Once again, this is Mrs. Hunter, your media specialist. Have a wonderful day. Be safe, and I'll speak with you soon.